Hello, my name is Dana, and this is my introduction post. The first picture I want to share with you guys is this one right here. It's a picture of me and my boyfriend Martin. We've been together for about 5 years now, and he's definitely one of the most important things in my life at this point. We do not have any kids yet. I am trying to make sure that I get through the schooling that I want to, and then hopefully we can settle down and, move towards the start of our life. He's always been very supportive of my goals and what I'm passionate about, and he loves that I'm so dedicated, so he doesn't mind waiting at all. This next picture that I want to share with you guys is a picture of my puppy. His name is Max. I rescued him about a year ago, a little over a year ago, and so he's just over a year old. And he is a very loyal, playful puppy. He always greets you at the door whenever you walk in. He's always there if you need to just vent, and he doesn't ever judge. He's one of the best puppies you could have. This right here is a picture of the gym that I go to. It's Planet Fitness. I managed to fit in about 3 sessions a week, maybe a little bit more on a good week. Um, Despite me having, two jobs and full-time school, I managed to fit in the gym. It does allow me to keep my sanity. I can go there whenever I'm upset or stressed out, and I can just work it off. This next picture right here, it's a picture of a cooked meal. It's one of my favorite recipes. It's honey sriracha lemon chicken, and I do add some garlic into it. But it's a pretty simple meal to make. It's not too time consuming, and it's very, very good once it's finished. It's very healthy for you. It's got a lot of protein. It's got the nutrients that you need in it. And again, I do want to emphasize that it is very, very simple to make. I don't cook as much as I used to or would like to. My time is very limited right now, but I am hoping to get back to that pretty soon. This last picture is it's actually two pictures combined into one. It's a Farmers Insurance logo and the Amazon logo. These are the two companies that I work for. I work at Farmers during the daytime, and then I actually work at Amazon overnight. It's crazy and it's hectic and it's my life. I work very hard, always have for the things that I have and the things that I want. I'm also working very hard towards my degree. I'm not sure where I want to go after I graduate this program, if I want to continue schooling and pursue a master's, or, I mean, there are many options, but can't wait to see what I have in store. Anyways, that's all I have. Thanks, guys.